You're halfway up a ladder, drilling into drywall, and your phone starts buzzing. You can't safely drop what you're doing to answer it, but letting that call go to voicemail carries a steep price in the local services market. That caller isn't going to wait around for you to finish your task. This timeline shows lead latency. The average business takes 40 hours to respond. A homeowner needing a fix simply jumps straight to the next name on Google, moving down the list until someone picks up. That unanswered call means losing a couple $100s. To fix this, we are going to build a system that responds to missed calls instantly, follows up on sent estimates, and requests reviews on autopilot. By letting software handle immediate communication, you plug holes where jobs slip through the cracks, protecting your bottom line while you keep working. We'll build this using GoHighLevel. It's a CRM platform that acts as the central hub for all your customer interactions. This diagram illustrates how the platform works. Instead of paying for a separate calendar app, a texting service, an email provider, and a spreadsheet, GoHighLevel absorbs all those functions, collapsing them into one unified database. That consolidation extends to your phone. Whether a customer messages you through Facebook, texts your business number, or emails you, every message lands in the exact same inbox inside the mobile app. You no longer have to check 4 different apps between appointments. You can run your communication flow right from the driver's seat of your truck. Step 1 is setting up your safety net. We start by clicking into the Automations tab and creating a new workflow. This image shows the workflow builder. We set the initial trigger event at the top. We select call status and define it specifically as missed. Next, we tell the system what to do when that trigger fires by adding an action step directly below it. We'll choose Send SMS. Inside that SMS block, we type our message. Hi, this is Metro Handyman Services. We missed your call while we were on a job site. How can we help you today? Sending that text within 60 seconds interrupts the customer search process. Because they've now made contact with a real business, they stop looking for alternatives. In the home services industry, the contractor who responds first usually wins the job. Automating this single touchpoint guarantees you are always first in line. Now that we've captured the lead, we need to track them. We do this by moving over to the Opportunities tab to build a visual sales pipeline. This diagram represents a typical customer journey. We create 5 specific columns: new lead, estimate scheduled, quote sent, job booked, and finally, invoice paid. We can attach background actions to these specific columns. For instance, we can create a workflow that activates the moment you drag a client's card into the quote sent stage. We configure that workflow to wait exactly 24 hours and then automatically send a text message asking the customer if they have any questions about the estimate. We then add a second delay step. If they haven't replied after another 48 hours, the system sends one more gentle follow-up. It is important to note that this pipeline is designed specifically for sales and communication. Your actual field logistics, like route optimization and material tracking, still happen in your dedicated field service app, like Jobber. By programming your follow-ups, you no longer have to remember who you sent an estimate to last Tuesday. The software chases the open quotes for you, turning undecided prospects into booked work. We apply that exact same logic to the end of the customer journey. We set up one final trigger for when a client's card is moved into the invoice paid column. Here's how it looks in practice. Dropping the client card into the final stage fires off a text message thanking them for their business and including a direct link to your Google review page. This removes the friction of having to awkwardly ask for a favor while you're packing up your tools and wiping down your boots. Consistent reviews are the primary factor in how high your business ranks on Google Maps when locals search for repair services. Because the request happens immediately after payment, response rates climb. Every completed repair now actively generates the social proof you need to attract the next client. This chart breaks down the actual financial impact. A basic GoHighLevel subscription costs $97 a month. Next to it, we see the average profit from just one standard service call, which typically ranges from $150 to $300. If the automated text back feature saves just one caller from hiring a competitor this month, the entire software stack pays for itself. The goal here is simple. Your time is highly valuable when you are applying your craftsmanship on site, not when you are playing the role of a receptionist. Implementing these precise follow-up systems removes the guesswork from your pipeline. You stop chasing leads manually and start relying on a dependable engine to capture your revenue.